Today we're kicking off the new year with a brand new series, AI Video Marketing. Over the course of the next few weeks, I'll be diving into a range of different projects, showing how you can create different types of video that'll organically promote your business. And the best part, we're going to be creating every single project using AI, specifically ViddyBot, the ChatGPT for creating videos, as I like to think of it as. So without further ado, let's jump into our first project of the series, creating a top 5 list video. I'm sure you'll have seen these all over social media, whether it's the top 5 supplements to take, or the top 5 video editing techniques, or whatever else you may have seen. And there's a good reason you will have seen these videos, that's because they're highly shareable. They generally don't specifically gloat about one particular business or product, they provide honest, real information or opinions, which gives them huge potential to go viral. So let's jump in and I'll show you how you can promote your own business using this highly shareable format. So here we are within the Viddyoze software, and the first thing we'll want to do is select the ViddyBot tab just here. Next, we'll be able to choose a style for our video. Just hover your mouse over each one to see how it animates and select one that stands out to you. Don't worry too much about the colours you see in the previews, as we'll be able to customise these a little bit later on. Once you've selected a style you like, we'll then be taken into the ViddyBot chat box. This is where we'll tell the AI exactly what type of video we want to create. So let's say I own a small pub in the city of Leeds and I'm looking to get more customers. I'll ask ViddyBot, could you create a video for the top 5 things to do in Leeds? ViddyBot is happy to help and wants to know some more details to include in the video. I'm going to say, I want my pub to be included in the list. It's called the Oak Tree and offers food, drinks and live entertainment. ViddyBot has reassured me that my pub will be featured in the top 5 video. It's also asked me to provide the other 4 attractions to include in my video, but I'm going to let the AI do the work on this one. I'll type, you can fill in the other 4 attractions for my video based on the location I provided. ViddyBot is more than happy to help with the rest of my video and has asked what language I want my video in. I'll ask it to make it in English. ViddyBot has put together a basic video brief for my top 5 video and asked whether I want to include anything else. For now, I'll go with that and type, that's everything. ViddyBot has now provided me with a full video brief which I can look over to make sure I'm happy with the content. If all looks good, all we have to do is hit the Create Storyboard button and the ViddyBot AI will start to work its magic. We'll now see a monochrome storyboard of our created video. We can see ViddyBot has included a section for my pub as requested, but it's also implemented some other popular attractions into the video based off the location I originally provided. Remember, the more descriptive your inputs are into the AI, the more detailed your storyboard will be. If you're not quite happy with the storyboard, you can generate something else just by clicking the Create Different Storyboard button here. Otherwise, if all's looking good, we can hit the Visit in Editor button at the top here to make our final tweaks. Once we're in the editor, we can start to make this AI creation our creation. We can use the one-click branding tool to apply all brand colours from one of our setup brands instantly, and we can also tweak the text on each of the video ingredients if we want to reword things slightly. We also have the option to add or remove different video ingredients, useful for adding additional bullet points, or even your own photographs and video clips into the final video. You'll have full control on how you want your video to look. Once we've got all our visuals in place, we can then preview and choose from a wide range of audio tracks to apply to our video. Once we've selected a music track, all we have left to do is hit the export video button at the top and Viddyoze will start putting together our creation. And there we have it, we've created a fully customised top 5 list video using the power of AI that's also integrated in our very own business into the list itself. As I mentioned earlier, this type of video is bound to get shared across social media, so it could be the gem that brings a flock of customers to your own door. You can try Viddyoze completely free just by following the link in the description box below, so go ahead and get creating your very own AI videos today. If you took some good value from this content, then do make sure you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next AI marketing video. Thanks very much for watching, and as always, happy creating.